Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jalen Marie. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. Today's video is brought to you by Gorgius Hair, and I'm reviewing their gorgeous rectangle shaped lace Yaki straight bob with bang. It's 100% virgin human hair. That's a natural black and 12 inches long, and it also features this 1x3 rectangular shape invisible Swiss lace. Use the code JALEN to receive 17% off your order. So guys, I am super excited to be trying out this viral wig. I know I've seen it all over TikTok, people talking about it, and you know how much I love a bob, and this is a bob with bangs. I've been getting into bangs. Like I said, bangs have been working its way on me, and I've really been enjoying bangs, especially when the units like this is like a throw on and go. You don't have to worry about nothing. You don't have to worry about no lace, but it does come with some nice lace right in the crown. It looks like the knots are bleached and everything for you. So this is what the cap construction looks like. You get a ear comb on both sides of your ear, and you get a nice elastic band alongside with the elastic straps in the back and a comb as well in the back. So let me pop on my wig cap, and we're gonna get this wig on, honey, because this is a throw on and go type wig. And let's just see how much we're about to go with it. I just got my hair in some braids and just throw my wig cap on. How y'all been doing, ladies and gents? How have you guys been doing? I've been doing good. How y'all liking this weather? Georgia weather is so flip-flop. I swear it was cold in September. Now November's here, girl. It's the summertime again, like, but I'm not complaining about the heat. I like the warmth. So I need to tighten this up. You know, I have a little pea head. So let's throw this on. Ooh, I love how nice and snug it fits. I'm bring it back some. Oh, y'all, I'm in love already. I love that you get that nice lace showing through, makes it look natural. Okay, this is what it's looking like straight out the box. I cannot complain. It's looking pretty good, pretty good. Nice and flat. I love the texture. It's like a Yaki straight texture. It's not super silky, although it is some silkiness to it, but you can also see the Yaki in it. It's more like relaxed hair. All right, I have to change my angle. Now you can probably see it a whole lot better. Look at that texture right out the box, nice texture. And I'm loving the body. So I'm just going to flatten it out just a little bit, put a little heat on it, because I feel like it's got little crinkles and stuff in it from being in the box. So let's put some of this away. I'm just gonna take this Wax Sticks by Evie in New York and just use this for some of the little flyaways at the top. Not much, just a little. Goes a long way. That way it really defines that part. And girl, that is it. That is all to it. Oh, so cute. So guys, that is all. This unit is so gorgeous. I know that was so corny. I am in love with this unit from Gorgius. It is fabulous. The hair is beautiful. It curls so nice. And this unit just looks so natural to be a full wig with bangs. I am loving the lace detail at the top, and they bleached it. Girl, that's a plus. Absolutely love that they did that. These units have been going viral right now on TikTok. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know how you feel about the unit with the bangs. Do y'all like the bangs on me? Let me know. I'm still a little wishy-washy when it comes to bang, a little iffy. The hair is gorgeous. I said that already, didn't I? Gorgeous. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the bangs. And also like this video if you are interested in this unit from Gorgius. And don't forget to check the description box down below. I'll have all details on this unit, and I'll have it linked as well if you want to pick it up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.